Frederick and Queen Mary plans PF building schools and hospitals in Africa. King Frederick and Queen Mary's plans to build schools and hospitals in Africa. In a bold and ambitious move to address critical issues facing the African continent, King Frederick and Queen Mary of the Kingdom of Ashbury have announced plans to spearhead the construction of a network of schools and hospitals across several nations in Africa. The royal couple, known for their unwavering commitment to global humanitarian causes, unveiled the initiative during a televised address to their subjects and the international community. It is with great pride and a profound sense of responsibility that we stand before you today to share our vision for the future of Africa, declared King Frederick. As leaders of our kingdom, we recognize the immense challenges faced by our brothers and sisters across the continent, and we are determined to be a part of the solution. Queen Mary, standing beside her husband, elaborated on the rationale behind this ambitious project. Access to quality education and essential healthcare services remains a critical issue for far too many Africans. This is unacceptable, and we are committed to changing that narrative. The plan, which has been in development for the past year, involves the construction of 50 state-of-the-art schools and 25 modern healthcare facilities in countries across the African continent. The initial phase of the project will target nations with the most pressing needs, as identified through extensive research and collaboration with local governments and non-governmental organizations. We have meticulously studied the landscape, consulted with experts, and listened to the voices of the people, said King Frederick. Our goal is to establish educational and medical hubs that will serve as beacons of hope and catalysts for sustainable development. The schools, designed to provide free, comprehensive education from primary to secondary levels, will focus on equipping students with the knowledge and skills necessary to thrive in the 21st century. Curricula will emphasize STEM subjects, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, as well as crucial life skills and vocational training. Education is the cornerstone of progress, Queen Mary emphasized. By investing in the next generation of African leaders, innovators, and entrepreneurs, we believe we can empower communities to break the cycle of poverty and create a brighter future for all. Alongside the schools, the plan also includes the construction of state-of-the-art hospitals and clinics, staffed by highly trained medical professionals from both Africa and the Kingdom of Ashbury. These facilities will provide free, accessible healthcare to underserved populations, addressing issues such as maternal and child health, infectious disease management, and chronic illness treatment. Access to quality healthcare is a fundamental human right, King Frederick asserted. By building these hospitals and clinics, we aim to save lives, alleviate suffering, and ultimately contribute to the overall well-being and prosperity of the African people. The project, which is expected to cost billions of dollars, will be funded through a combination of government resources, private sector partnerships, and international aid. The kingdom has already secured commitments from several multinational corporations and philanthropic organizations to support the initiative. This is not just a pet project of the Crown, Queen Mary stressed. We are committed to working alongside our African counterparts, local communities, and global stakeholders to ensure the long-term sustainability and success of these endeavors. The announcement of the school and hospital construction plan has been met with widespread praise and enthusiasm from both the kingdom's citizens and the international community. Many have hailed the move as a bold and visionary step towards addressing the pressing challenges facing the African continent. This is the kind of leadership and global citizenship we need to see more of, commented a prominent African political analyst. King Frederick and Queen Mary are setting an example for other nations to follow, and I am confident that their efforts will have a transformative impact on the lives of millions. As the kingdom prepares to embark on this ambitious project, the people of Ashbury and the global community eagerly await the groundbreaking ceremonies and the tangible progress that will unfold in the years to come. The promise of a brighter future for Africa has never been more palpable.